My name is Akhilesh Kulshrestha. I am working in Boult Audio as Chief Financial Officer. Boult Audio is a company in the electronics audio products and is one of the fastest growing company in this segment. We sell the hearable and wearable devices like the Bluetooth audio devices and the smartwatches. There is a huge product development team which is here, which keeps on working on these customer requirements, and they come up with the product which satisfies the customer needs. I joined about 2 years back this company. Knowing that we were growing so fast, we needed a robust system which can put in place the controls that we wanted. So the key challenges that we were facing were inventory, the manufacturing side of management. So these are two things that were very important to us. Well, we found a huge gap in our bill of material and the work order consumption booking, and that was really some large cost coming to us in one go. So what we did a study of what will fit our organization the best. We talked to 3 or 4 companies. So one of them was Sage, and we found that the Sage was the best fit for our kind of organization, which is not that large, but also has all the complicated scenarios which any big company has. We found that Sage was offering both the capabilities. So these were like few factors which we just promptly decided for Sage X3 because it was the product that we needed. Sage team took over charge of how they wanted to implement. They sat with us to map the entire company end-to-end processes, how the system will be configured. Of course, it was a challenging phase for any company which has not implemented any ERP before. So it was a huge task to map all the company processes and how there will be input in the system and how the output will look like. It all started and ended in 6 months' time. We were up and running in 6 months. Of course, there were post-go live challenges that we faced, but the support from Sage was, I think, phenomenal. They were ready to be very flexible in whichever problems were coming and solving them in time. Sage team was always available to take care of the needs. We had issues with the consumptions of materials. We had issues with the processes, gaps, which were no controls, virtually no controls were there earlier on how people will manufacture finished goods from the raw materials, and now we have full control. So I think our internal processes have become maybe 10 times better with Sage coming in. Being a finance person myself, I see that there is a lot of integration of activities which has happened after Sage has come in, and it is really a big help. And we expect that in the coming few years we will be able to use Sage more and more and use its capabilities to our advantage.